Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Arish Asif Khan and today we are going to be exploring Newton's laws and the principle of momentum conservation. We will delve into how momentum remains constant in isolated systems and apply this to real world examples like rocket propulsion and rifle recoil. Law of conservation of momentum. In isolated system, no net external force acts. The total momentum remains constant. The equation of momentum is final momentum is equal to initial momentum, which is Pf, is equal to Pi. The key principle is that the momentum of an isolated system does not change over time. Let's have an example. Consider a bullet and a gun in an isolated system. Before firing, the total initial momentum will be zero. But after firing the bullet will move one way and the gun will recoil the opposite way. The total final momentum will be zero. Now let's calculate the recoil of a gun. The conservation of momentum allows us to calculate the gun's recoil velocity. As you can see, the mass of the gun and the velocity of the gun is equal to negative mass of the bullet and the velocity of the bullet. The negative sign indicates the gun's velocity is opposite to the bullet's. The gun's larger mass results in a smaller recoil. Now, rockets in space. How do rockets accelerate in space without air to push against? Basically, hot gases expel. The rockets expel hot gases with large momentum. The rocket then gains an equal and opposite momentum, and this causes the rocket to accelerate forward. An example is of a rifle. Let's apply the conservation of momentum to a rifle recoil scenario. For example, the mass of the gun is 3 kg, mass of the bullet is 17 gram. So you need to convert this gram into kg, which is 0.017. The velocity of bullet is 350 meters second, and the velocity of the gun we have to find. So by using the conservation of momentum, the final momentum will be zero. The velocity of the gun is equal to negative mass of the bullet multiply velocity of the bullet divided by mass of the gun. Now you need to substitute the given values into the equation. So as you can see, the mass of the bullet is 0.017, the velocity of the bullet is 350, and the mass of the gun is 3 kg. So the answer will be the velocity of the gun is negative 1.98. The negative value confirms that the gun's recoil is in the opposite direction to the bullet's motion. I hope you guys liked my lecture. For more lectures, please subscribe to this channel. It would mean a lot to me. Thank you.